Islamic divination isn't something that is like you're letting the order of some cards or something rule your future. But you are praying and involving your relationship with the divine and your guidance. Now, this is a voluntary prayer. You say 2 vows of voluntary prayer. And when you're finished, unlike with some prayers where you might say or read Surah 55, the beginning of 57, like maybe 4 or maybe even 7 verses or whatnot of 57, the end of 59, those last 3 verses, with the dawn prayer. The afternoon prayer, you may want to do Surah 36. At night, 56. In the evening, 72. After dusk, 67. And there's some other options that can be added to traditions that have been said about those things. But in this one says Allahumma niyas takiruka bi'ilmik wastaqdiruka biquratik wa as'aluka min fadlikal asim fa innaka taqdiru wala aqdir wala ta'alamu wala a'lam wa anta alamul Guyub. Allahumma in kunta ta'alamu anna hadhal amr khairun li fi dini wa ma ashi wa akibate amri faqdurhu li wa yasirhu li thumma barik li fi wa in kunta ta'alamu anna hadhal amr sharun li fi dini wa ma ashi wa akibate amri fasrifu wasrifni anhu waqtur li al-khaira haythu kana thumma ardani beh. All divinity, I'm seeking your counsel. By your knowledge and by your power, I'm seeking strength. I'm asking from you immense favor. For certainly you are able while I am not, and verily you know while I do not, and you are the knower of the unseen. All divinity, if you know this affair, and you might want to say your affair, the business that you've come to ask for, to be good for me in relation to my religion and my life, my end, then decree and facilitate it for me, and bless me with it. And if you know this affair, this manner, to be ill for me towards my system of judgment in my life and my end, then remove it from me and remove me from it, and decree for me what is good, wheresoever it be, and make thee satisfied with it. And a reasoning for this is, as 359 includes the words وَشَاوِرْهُمْ فِي الْأَمْرِ فَإِذَا عَزَمْتَ فَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ. And consult them in the affair, and then when you have taken a decision, put your trust in God. And that trust is supposed to be on God's terms, right? Not merely what we like, but it centers us.